So usually I do unboxings on Snapchat, but today I decided to do an unboxing and post it on YouTube. And it is because I kind of already opened the boxes. There's just one that I didn't open, but I opened them just so I wouldn't be opening them like on camera. But I'm doing this unboxing for YouTube because it's a project that I'm gonna do on YouTube. So I wanted to unbox on YouTube. Okay, so enough with the unboxings. So I've been seeing a lot of um, videos. I'll start with this white one because this one I can explain. See, so I ordered this kit and it came with this tumbler. Why? It comes with 2 tumblers because I've seen a lot of videos of people decorating the tumblers, and I wanted to try. I don't know. I wanted to try something like it looked like something I would like doing, so I want to try. So I ordered this kit. It came with 2 of these. Let me show you the other one. It literally came with everything you need to decorate them, basically. So 2 of these, they're really nice. And then it came with glitters. I'm debating whether or not to take them all out and show you the glitters. I think I will. Let's see. That's just gonna get a lot of glitter because I just glanced at them like this and I took one out to show my mom and I got full of glitter. So I showed her this one. I thought they all had a, okay, this one is grape raisin and it's just purple glitter. I'll just like take them out randomly. This one is mist mint. Ooh, this one is a pretty color. And then this one is fairy dust. I don't know how to say that, but it's fairy dust. Just if you guys want to see what I can't say, maybe I have to like cover it so I could focus. Can you guys see? Okay. And then there is orchid. You see that? Orchid. Ooh, these are really pretty. They're like, I guess they're like 3 different shades of purple and then blue. I guess paradise. That's pretty. I think all of the glitters are pretty, so I might say that's pretty for all of them. Frost. Peacock. Ocean. What is this one? Bubblegum. That one's, oh, they're all pretty. I don't have to say it for each one because they're all pretty. Janelle, like Janelle. And the last 2 are blush and sunflower. So this is blush. It's so pretty. Okay. There was only one yellow sunflower. Get that? Okay. So those are the glitters it came with. It came with the epoxy, so 2-part clear coating and casting resin. And then in here it has the little mixing cups, but I think I'm gonna need more because it only came with 3. And then it came with gloves, and it came with Mod Podge, and then these cups, which these cups I don't know what they're for. I don't know if like once you mix the epoxy in the little cup, you could put it in here. I don't know, but it came with these cups. They're pretty big. They're up to 8 ounces or 240 cc's. And then it came with these brushes. Just let me show you guys one. It's a pink, yellow, and then this blue one. And it's just like the rubber spatula to put the, I don't know, because I see them use their hand a lot. But I mean, I also see them use this. So I don't know if I could use one for the Mod Podge and one for the epoxy. We'll see how this goes. I'm just so excited, y'all. Like, I'm excited to make these cups. I want to make it like now. Okay, so that was one of the things that I got. And we put the glitters back in here. Just put them in for now. And I also have some glitters from Dollar Tree, which I didn't actually buy for this, but I can use them if I want. So these I'm gonna actually do with the fabric, I think. And then put this in here. So that was, actually this is the first box I got, but that was the first one I opened. And this one is the first one I got, like, delivered. Look, it's supposed to be holographic glitter. It is. Oh my god, you can see it on the camera. Yeah, so this is one of the glitters I bought. I also bought this glitter. It is, well, just glitter, I guess. Glitter, just clear. I don't know if it's clear or it's gonna be white. Yeah, it doesn't have a color, so just this glitter. And then I see a lot of the girls that make the tumblers use a blowtorch. So I got this. I don't know how to use it. I don't know. Open. And then you do this. Oh, I'm so scared. No, just close it for now. Oh, can you push it? Okay. So, we'll see. I'll read the little manual it comes with. And all that good stuff before I use it. And then I got these letters thinking they were gonna be like small letters, but they're pretty big, look. Because I was thinking of like putting a name, but I think these are way too big. Because these are more for like if you make a banner. So, I mean, I have them now for if I ever need letters. And then I have this, which looks like this. And it's a turner, so you put the cup right here. I mean, this is not actual size. You have to put it together because it doesn't come assembled. So, but the foam, let me open it to see what it looks like because I haven't opened it. I don't have a little... Okay. So this, as you can tell, I'm taking off the tape because I haven't opened it. Ooh, okay. So this is like the bottom part. It's called a cup turner. Okay. I liked it because I had good reviews. So this part of the foam, you put it on this, right? So when you're working with the cup, you take the top off and you put the cup in here, and then, well, it turns the cup while you're working with it. So let's say you're brushing something on and it's turning it, and then you're like brushing it off. And it comes with, this is the motor, Like, I already knew this was gonna be short, because the only review that they said that was bad was that this thing was short. But it's nothing like an extension cord couldn't, fix. So that's this thing. You guys can understand how excited I am. Make two. I wanted to open it yesterday and make the cup, but I was like, no, I have to go to sleep. It was already. It's because I got the notice on my email that it was delivered. So I went to check the mail, because our mail here isn't like you will go outside to check the mail. You have to go around the corner and check the mail. And then I was looking up where to buy cups. So I didn't find these though. I think I'll start with smaller cups and then work my way up to these ones. If I like how I'm doing the cups, because I'm super picky on the things that I do. They need to come out perfect basically, and I'm super picky as to how I do my crafts and stuff. Sometimes I do stuff and I'm like, oh, it didn't come out right, and then people are like, it's fine, just because it looks nice. So, or whatever. So I ordered these cups. These are small. I think they're 20 ounces. I don't know. Let's see if it says it on here. Oh, I did get this color. I forgot what colors I got, honestly, because I ordered them and then I forgot about them. But look, I got this pretty color. If you guys want to know where I got them from, I'll put the link down below. Or I could just tell you oh, it's 28 fluid ounces. Nice. I thought it was 20 ounces. But see, look. It looks little, but it's 28 ounces. That's a good size, I think, right? Because this is 28 ounces. I believe this is 32 ounces. So 28, 32. This is what, 4 more ounces? It's not that bad. And I don't know, I just liked how this was. Because if I want to put fabric, it's straight. So I don't have to I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time with this one, just because it's I'm a beginner and I know myself, and I'm gonna be so pissed if there's a wrinkle in it or something. But with this one, since it's flat, it's gonna be easier for me to put. Whatever. So I got this color. I got 4 of each color, so I'm just gonna show you 3 of them because I ordered 3 different colors. Oh yeah, so what did I tell you the website? It was saveacup.com. And they sell them in sets of 4. So I got that one. What would you consider that? Like a blue? Like a turquoise? And then this just silver one. It's just a basic silver one. And then, like I said, I'm pretty sure the other one is pink, or unless it's a blue also, because I can't remember. Or was it green? I don't know. We'll see. And oh, it's a blue also. And it's a darker blue though. Oh, I like this blue. It's nice. There's something in here. Oh yeah, I have the little paper. Okay. Yeah, it just comes with a little paper that says H2Go Surge 28 ounce aluminum bottle. Okay, so where were we? So that was it for my packages. I thought it was more. Well, it's because this is more. It's just I didn't take out each one individually. You guys get the gist of it. So I'm gonna start doing the tumbler cups. I'm excited about that. Like I said, this is gonna be the first cup I make. I'll show you guys the fabric. I'll be right back. So I have this fabric, which is what I'm gonna use for the cups. I have, well, I showed it to you, but I have Beauty and the Beast and I have Cinderella. And I already saw, like, I could obviously make more than one cup. Look at this. It's because I only sold it by yard, so I bought 1 yard. So I'm thinking I'll make at least, let's see, 2, 4, like 8 or 10 cups with one of these. So it came out pretty good, like, because if I use this one, I already saw more or less how much I need. Like, I did this because before I got this one, my dad has one, like the exact same kind of cup, and I got it and I looked to see how much fabric I would need. So you just do that, right? Put the Mod Podge, put the cup, put this, and then I'll just see the pattern to see what I want on the cup. I probably want this on there, so I'll probably, I don't know, trim it so that it's there. Like, get this. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, so that is all for my unboxing. I don't think it was that long. Someone's here. It's here. My mom is back. It's because she came inside, I think. I don't know if you guys noticed. I paused the video for a little bit because she came in. So I paused it from recording. But she was gonna go pick up my niece from school. Alright, so that's it for my unboxing. I don't know how many times I've said that. My next video will not be the cup, but it'll be something else. And then it's because I need a good, like, day uninterrupted. So hopefully I'm hoping I can record it tomorrow and then it'll be my next video. But if not, or my next video, I don't know what it's gonna be. Probably something I've been wanting to do, like my version of Kids Say the Darndest Things. So I can ask my nieces like funny questions, not funny questions, but just questions, and then see what they answer me. Because I was thinking of asking them like the questions that I would say on Facebook, but those are more for like if you're their mom. But I'll still ask them like, what do you think makes me happy? What is your favorite color? How old do you think I am? Like things like that. But I also looked up some questions online to ask. But it was more like questions to ask your kids to start a conversation. And I was like, okay, I don't know. We'll just see if that happens. Because my niece wants to do another video with me. And, well, she's funny, so I want to make a video with her also. But besides that, I'll just see you guys next time. And then whoever also follows me on Facebook, I'll see you in my next live. Alright, bye.